Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss something about microfrontends. So here we are trying to show that Liferay DXP can be a very good container of your microfrontends like React apps and Angular apps. So what we know about microfrontends that we can have multiple microfrontends components that are totally independent and can run itself, and we federate them or compose them in a shell or a container by remote calling, and then we expose that container to through proxy to user. So this is something we want to do, and we do basically for microfrontends with several tools are available there with Webpack and others. But today I'm going to show that this is next level. I mean, through the portlet technology, this is existing last 20 years, that we do these things, manage these widgets and different front ends in portlet technology. So this portlet technology is old, and this is again this microfrontends is basically leading toward that. So if you want to render everything in one single page, then I think this portlet technology is very good for that. This is Liferay. This is Liferay. So Liferay gives a very good way to managing things. You can have pages, design pages, and have multiple pages. Each page can have its default layouts. You can configure that. So in each page you have edit option where you can have the library of widgets, and here I have added a React category, contents called React, and I have added a React app. So I will show you, I will create another React app, and I will show you how we can have this way multiple React apps, and we can use these React apps with just drag and drop. So let me show you. So here is a folder called frontend, and here we have created this React 1. So I will make it. So I go to this folder frontend, and there is easy. If you go to Liferay, there is very pretty straightforward guideline. So you have to install this. So I have just pretty straightforward. Any developer can understand this. So here I go again. So I run this your Liferay.js. So this is giving me the interactive options. I want to create a React app, and my folder hosting will be React 2 because I have created a React bit ago. This is the enough description. Okay, keyboard is not working. Okay, and I don't want to. So input data extender as yes. Under this category, I say this category is micro frontend. So it will show in this app library under this category. Do we have installation? Yes, I have one, and then I have to give him the path. So I go to this one, copy this, and I put this one, and I want to generate sample code. So now I go to React 2, and you can see, so assets here you can put your things, and here is the code. So here is the app component. You can see there is some HTML, and that is a React component, inherited from this, and we just have to deploy this one. nothing else. So let's do this. So this is the command to deploy, npm run deploy. Okay, so I have to go to this React app 2, then run, sorry, so npm run deploy. That's not just doing this thing, and you can see here, yes, the React 2 started. So this is they are following OSGI, so they're just loading this content from this deploy folder and putting it in the module OSGI. So you can see modules, yes, React 1 and React 2. If I open this React 2, so here you can see all these resources. Okay, so this is simple, and now let's see how it is done here. So I have this already, so I want to see is this, yeah, you can see there is a React 2. Yeah. So let's do something like we just put two parallel, and okay, this one is here, and I want to have this widget 2 also here. Okay, so the two portlets are coming here simply. So the one is React 2, one is I publish it. So I publish it, you can see there is React 1. So this React 2, you can see there is something I have added, like in React 1 there is a library, a simple slider. So I have added this slider in React 1. So let's add this again in the React 2. So there is a asset images folder. I have added images. So I just copy paste it here. Because I just reduce one image to show it is a separate app. Okay, and then in React 1 I have added in app component this few code like this import. So I do the same for the to import. Okay, and then I just have to add this image locations. Okay, where is that? Yes. Go to this. Okay, add this, and again here I just added a new div here also. That's it. So there is only, okay, I have 4 images, here I have 3 images. So in React 2 I just change the JSON file a bit with this. Install this. Yes, so in this package JSON dependency, yes, the slider is added. Now what I have to do, I have to just deploy it. So I have to deploy command. Stopped and started again. Then I can go again to my front end and I can see what happens. Yeah, now you can see this is something came up. Add another grid here. Okay, so just put here, go there, use it, React app, we put it here. Okay, so yeah. So this is what I was trying to show. So this is V3, this is V4. You can have any things and you will have a nice library of your applications, all microphones, and you can use it in several pages as you want, and so many other things. So yeah, so other than all the features of Liferay, you can think Liferay as a Microfrontends container.